क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी सेंट्रल कैंपस के पास अच्छा पीजी चाहिए, आ जाओ बॉस, दिखा दूंगा। बजट फ्रेंडली पीजी चाहिए, आ जाओ बॉस, दिखा दूंगा। लोकेशन परफेक्ट होना चाहिए, आ जाओ बॉस, दिखा दूंगा।
लगता है किसी दूसरे का खोली में आ गए बाबा।
Just kidding guys, that's not me, that's Bhavesh bhai and this is your Kavach bhai. But the demand that I get from you people about finding new PGs, beautiful PGs around Christ University Central Campus is soaring very high. And that is the reason I have to become like Bhavesh bhai, a property dealer, and show you guys the best properties around Christ University Central Campus. Guys, today I have come to Nook Living. Nook Living is no stranger on my YouTube channel. They have a lot of properties running across Bangalore, specifically around Christ University Bannerghatta Road campus, NMIMS Bangalore, and they have launched their brand new property around Christ University Central Campus. Before I talk more about it, I am on the rooftop of the property, and from here you can have an amazing view of Christ University and of whole of Bangalore. The best part about this property is that it is very centrally located. This property is just 300 meters away from the Christ University Central Campus back gate and 700 meters away from Christ University Central Campus main gate. Which means that if you want to go to the back gate, it is just going to take you 3 to 5 minutes by walk. That is it. So you guys don't need to have an auto or a vehicle of your own if you're looking or if you book up your PG at Nook Living. I know you guys are desperately waiting for the room tour and everything like that, which I will give you.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
But before that, if you guys like the content on my channel, please hit the like button and at the same time subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Guys, now I will be taking you guys and giving you a tour of the room, showing you about all the facilities that they have. It's a brand new property and trust me, it is amazing. See you guys. Okay, just in case I forgot to mention, this is a girls' property and very premium in nature. Right now I'm on the first floor of the girls' property and this looks really amazing. Like I said guys, this is a brand new property, so everything from the tiles to the flooring is all new. In each of the corridors here, you will have a common fridge and a water dispenser, which is going to be shared by all the girls who are going to be staying here. At the same time, you will have common Wi-Fi and the speed is going to be really good, so you don't have to worry about that. Come now, let me give you a tour of a double sharing room. And this is how the double sharing room looks. Guys, to be very honest, this is very premium in nature. Firstly, I've been repeating it again and again, but because the property is brand new, everything from the mattress to the cushions, lamp, everything is new. Along with that, usually students complain a lot about the space or where they can keep their luggage, but under their beds you have enough storage to keep the things that you don't require immediately and even your luggage, which is a very good thing. In each of the rooms now, because this is a double sharing room, it's going to be shared by 2 girls. In each of the rooms you have bookshelves to keep your books. Because it's brand new, they've decorated with amazing wall arts. Then there are going to be 2 study tables, which you will really need because you have to be working on your CIs, mid-sems and everything. Christ University will keep you really busy. So this is going to be that one handy place. Along with that, you will have mirror for girls, it's very important, and a window for the natural air to pass by. In case I forgot, you have a full-fledged cupboards which are going to be shared by 2 individuals, 2 girls. Let me give you a tour of the cupboard. This is how it looks. It's amazing. You can hang things on the top. Then you have a drawer to keep your personal valuables. Very good. And then down below you can keep your shoes and other important clothes. Very good. Let me give you quickly a tour to the washroom as well. Okay, so this is how the washroom looks. You have the wash basin here, the bathing area here and the WC here. Looks really very good. Guys, I'm being very honest with you. Because it's a brand new property, this is very good. Each and everything is new. At the same time, there is a good amount of space for 2 girls, which is a very good thing. So all in all, like completely a 5-star rating to this. Amazing. इस प्रॉपर्टी का बेस्ट कमरा देखना है, आ जाओ दिखा दूंगा. Just kidding guys.
Just kidding, guys.
I'm going to give you a tour of the single sharing room. But trust me when I say this, irrespective whether you all choose to stay in this room or not, this is a different experience altogether. Come on in. Guys, I've been touring PGs across, but trust me when I say this, I've never seen such a huge single sharing room ever. This is only going to be stayed by one single girl. And in case if you're one of those who loves your own personal space, you want to have a good amount of space, maybe you are into studies a lot, or maybe you can even do yoga here, this room is the thing. It's a single bed which is again looks like a queen size bed. This is a business class of an experience altogether. You're going to get double cupboard, so you can store all the clothes that you have, and I know girls have a lot of clothes, so these cupboards are going to be completely filled, and you still are going to say that you don't have clothes to wear for a party and things like that.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
That's a typical girl thing. But when I say this, that this looks like a 5-star room, it generally is. Like it's a cushioned bed cover or back cover, and this looks amazing. On my left is the washroom. I'm not taking a tour of the washroom, but all in all, it looks really very nice. Like I said, you can literally do yoga here, and then there's a full-fledged study table. So in case you want to study, you can do that. Mirror is here, so you check yourself out before you leave the room. But literally, I was giving 5 stars to that room, so I don't know how many stars should I give to that. You can put it up in the comments and let me know how many stars you would give to a room like this. Like I said guys, irrespective whether you choose to stay in this room or not, this is a different experience altogether, and I would highly suggest you all to come here. Specifically for the girls who request me that bhaiya please tell us about a single sharing room, we don't want to share, we are not comfortable in sharing, and some of you girls are preparing for some competitive exam, doing some online courses, running some businesses. This is a way better option because you are not going to be bounded with like what your roommate is doing, when the lights have to be turned off, when the lights have to be turned on, all such kind of things. This is literally heaven. Loved it. Okay girls, I am at a place which you all will call heaven because I am at the rooftop of Nook Living, and this is where you all will spend tons and tons of time. First of all, enjoy the amazing Bangalore view. Because this property, because the rooftop is on a very good height, it's windy, it's breezy, and you literally have a 360-degree view of the whole Bangalore city. Now the reason why I said that you always spend a lot of time here, because this is a very cute area. This is very aesthetically designed. Like I said, it's a brand new property, and all of you who are watching this video right now will be the first movers here. You can spend a lot of time here with your friends, chit chat, have fun, drink coffee, get your snacks and sit on the rooftop. At the same time, it's very aesthetically pleasing, so I'm pretty sure all the Instagram influencers or the future Instagram influencers will be making their reels here. Along with that guys, on the rooftop you have a full-fledged theatre, a full-fledged gym, as well as the whole recreational area where you have things like carom board and table tennis. So for all you enthusiasts, this is going to be your go-to area. Usually we start from the ground floor, then go to the rooftop, but this time we did the opposite. We started from the rooftop, and then finally I've come to the ground floor of Nook Living Estella Properties. This is going to be your first spot if you come on the property to take a tour or meet the wardens, the receptionists, all of that. Like I said guys, this property is brand new, so everything is literally premium just from the very start. Come on in. By the way, I'm in love with all the color schemes that they've used because it's all very aesthetically pleasing. Guys, this is the dining area. This is where you all are going to be served 5 meals. There's breakfast, lunch, evening snacks, dinner. If you're confused about which the 5th one is the short break in the morning. As you all know that there's a break in the college for 15-20 minutes, and for that also they're going to be providing you a full-fledged meal. You have two options. One is that they might provide a car outside the main gate so you can go collect your mini lunch, mini short break meal from there, or they might have it all packed in the morning itself and you can grab and go from here in your first hours to the college. Now if you're confused about what exactly is going to be served to you in the short break, it could be anything and everything from samosas to kachoris to sandwiches to keep you all very healthy and keep you all munching. Sorry to all the girls who don't want to gain weight. I hope it is also very nutritious in nature, which definitely it will be.
ये बढ़िया था गुरु.
This is another very common area. I talked about business class at the very top in the room. This looks like the lounge of the business class. By the way, guys, I'm in love with the colors of the tiles. Like, oh my god. This looks pretty fancy and classy. I think classy is the word that I would use here. I'm definitely going to be shooting some of my YouTube videos here because the background is fab. Now this is going to be that common area where you all can come, specifically for the ones who are in a double sharing room, and if you want to study here, use this as a study lounge. If you want to talk to home, this is going to be that go-to area. Now I know that you all are desperately waiting for all the information from me about each and everything to do with the property. By the way guys, each and everything is going to be included here in terms of maintenance, Wi-Fi, electricity, 5 times meal, laundry, all these things are included. Along with that, proper safety measures are going to be taken into consideration. So there's warden, there are security guards, there are CCTV cameras, all such things are there because safety is a very, very important issue and concern that usually students and parents have. So all these things are going to be taken care of. Now coming to the final thing that I know you guys are desperately waiting for are the prices for the property, for the double sharing room and the triple sharing room. Guys, I'm really sorry. I'm going to keep it as a surprise and a secret for each one of you. So I would want, number one, you can comment below and let me know what do you think would be the price of a property like this one. At the same time, I'm going to be giving you all the details of the property, the location, the numbers, so you can directly contact them and know about the prices, or directly come here and take a tour of the property. I'll also be putting on the Google Map link so you can directly come here. It's very, very near to Christ University Central Campus. So if you're coming to Christ University Central Campus, do take a tour of this property. The prices are secret, but it is not free at all, okay? मेरा नाम लेने से भी free नहीं मिलेगा. But thank you so much guys for watching this video till the very end. If you like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any doubts, questions, queries. I will be putting every detail of this property in the description of this video, the numbers, the links to book, all of those things, so do check it out. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys, bye bye.